Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. In this video, I'm going to be playing a game as this kid. So I hope you guys like it. Oh shit, okay. So yeah.
Hey! Stop!
I really just finished making this another video. It was too long. So I have to stop making it. No! Making new one.
Hey! Stop!
This is like such a fun game too. I think you know that. I almost made that. I almost made it.
Hey, kid!
Pilot commands. Wow! So much. Looks up in the description. I have the question.
Hey! Stop!
That's a lot.
Wow! Wow! Cool!
Every point matters.
I gotcha!
I'm done. I quit. I'm done. I almost chucked it across the room earlier today. Okay, well, if this is an advertisement going, I'm going to show you. This is my vlog website, okay? Well, you guys should subscribe to all of these, okay? Well, let's see. You click on the background. There's no button, just background. I start playing again. Nope. Oh, look, is this my personal blog? My personal blog. My fan fiction blog. And this is all made by Weebly. It's getting blocked right now. This is all made by Weebly, which is a great website to make this stuff. And now I'm promoting this for no freaking reason. Just like to write stuff because I have so much free time. Yep. I also make vlog videos because I have so much free time.
Hey! Stop!
Oh no, it's so glitchy. Okay guys, once I'm playing a part 2 of this, just like this video. If this video gets 5 likes, then I'll do part 2. I know, I'm going to screw up. You heard what I said earlier about going MSP, I think. And, I'm not pretty sure. See you guys. A lot of my. Just want to. Okay, good.
Hi!
Bye. Isn't that bro? Bye.
Hi!
Such a great noise. Hi. Wow. Horse thing. Dolphin. Swallow. Balance.
Hey! Stop!
Almost.
Wow! 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 Cool! Wow! Wow!
That was cool.
Wow! Cool! Wow! 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 Wow!
One point in the whole different case.
Wow! 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 Wow!
Actually,
Wow!
I've been playing this game.
I gotcha!
I've been playing this game for like 8 years now, and wow, what's that in the background?